Handmade wooden craft pieces embody a unique blend of artistry, craftsmanship, and functionality that brings numerous benefits to both the creator and the consumer. The resurgence of interest in handmade items, particularly in an era dominated by mass production, reflects a growing appreciation for the personal touch and quality that handmade wooden crafts provide. From aesthetic appeal to emotional resonance, the advantages of handmade wooden crafts are manifold, enriching our lives in various ways. One of the most significant benefits of handmade wooden craft pieces is their unique character. Unlike mass-produced items that often lack individuality, each handmade piece carries its own story, personality, and charm. The natural variations in wood grain, color, and texture ensure that no two pieces are alike. This uniqueness allows consumers to own items that reflect their personal style and taste, transforming their living spaces into expressions of individuality. By choosing handmade wooden crafts, individuals can curate a home environment that feels authentic and connected to their values. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of handmade wooden creations for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The craftsmanship involved in creating handmade wooden pieces is another key advantage. Skilled artisans dedicate time and effort to perfecting their craft, resulting in high-quality products that often surpass the durability and aesthetic appeal of factory-made alternatives. The attention to detail and dedication to quality in handmade wooden crafts mean that they are built to last. This durability is especially important in today's disposable culture, where items are often discarded after brief use. Investing in handmade wooden crafts not only supports sustainable practices, but also provides consumers with items that can be cherished for years to come. Moreover, handmade wooden crafts often incorporate traditional techniques and time-honored methods that have been passed down through generations. This connection to history and heritage adds depth to each piece, allowing consumers to appreciate the cultural significance behind the craftsmanship. For many artisans, creating handmade wooden items is not merely a job. It is a passion that reflects their identity and respect for their craft. By purchasing these items, consumers are not only acquiring a product, but also supporting a tradition and the artisans who dedicate their lives to it. The environmental benefits of choosing handmade wooden crafts cannot be overlooked. Many artisans prioritize sustainable sourcing, using wood from responsibly managed forests and recycling materials whenever possible. By choosing these handcrafted pieces, consumers contribute to environmentally friendly practices that promote the conservation of natural resources. This conscious choice can foster a sense of satisfaction and pride, knowing that the items in their homes are not only beautiful, but also ethically produced. In addition to sustainability, handmade wooden crafts often promote local economies. Many artisans operate small businesses that support their families and communities. By purchasing handmade items, consumers are directly contributing to the livelihoods of these artisans, helping to sustain local economies and preserve traditional craftsmanship. This connection to local artisans can foster a sense of community and support, creating a deeper bond between consumers and the products they choose to bring into their homes. The emotional connection that comes with handmade wooden crafts is another significant benefit. The act of creating a piece by hand imbues it with a certain energy and intention that is often absent in mass-produced items. Consumers who choose handmade wooden crafts often feel a stronger attachment to these pieces, appreciating the effort and skill that went into their creation. This connection can evoke feelings of nostalgia, comfort, and warmth, making a house feel more like a home. The stories behind these pieces can also create a rich tapestry of memories, as each item becomes a part of the consumer's life journey. Moreover, Handmade wooden crafts often encourage creativity and personal expression. Many artisans offer customizable options, allowing consumers to tailor pieces to their specific needs and preferences. This personalization can result in unique items that fit seamlessly into a home's decor and reflect the owner's personality. The ability to collaborate with artisans to create something one-of-a-kind fosters a deeper connection to the piece, as it becomes a direct reflection of the consumer's tastes and values. The aesthetic appeal of handmade wooden crafts is undeniable. The natural beauty of wood, combined with the artisan's skillful craftsmanship, results in stunning pieces that can enhance any space. The warmth of wood brings an element of nature indoors, creating a calming environment that promotes relaxation and comfort. Handmade wooden items can serve as focal points in a room, drawing the eye and adding character to otherwise ordinary spaces. Whether it's a beautifully carved bowl or an intricately designed wall hanging, the aesthetic contributions of handmade wooden crafts can elevate the overall ambience of a home. Another benefit of handmade wooden crafts is their multifunctionality. Many pieces are designed with versatility in mind, serving multiple purposes while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. For example, a handcrafted wooden tray can be both a decorative item and a functional serving piece. This adaptability is particularly valuable in today's homes, where maximizing space and functionality is often a priority. By incorporating handmade wooden crafts, consumers can enhance their living spaces while enjoying the practical benefits of multifunctional items. The process of purchasing handmade wooden crafts can also be a rewarding experience. Engaging with artisans, learning about their processes, and understanding the stories behind their creations can foster a sense of connection and appreciation that is often lacking in conventional retail environments. This personal engagement adds a layer of meaning to the items purchased, transforming a simple transaction into a memorable experience. Consumers often leave with not only a beautiful piece, but also a deeper understanding of the craftsmanship and effort involved in its creation. Handmade wooden crafts can also serve as thoughtful gifts, conveying a sense of care and consideration that mass-produced items often lack. Choosing a unique, handcrafted piece for a loved one demonstrates thoughtfulness and an understanding of their tastes and preferences. The emotional connection associated with handmade items can make gifts feel more meaningful, as they often carry stories and memories that resonate with both the giver and the recipient. This personal touch can enhance the joy of gift giving, creating lasting memories that go beyond the material item itself. Furthermore, handmade wooden crafts often inspire mindfulness and intentional living. In a world filled with distractions and fast-paced lifestyles, the presence of carefully crafted wooden pieces can encourage individuals to slow down and appreciate the beauty around them. Each handmade item serves as a reminder of the artistry and effort involved in its creation, prompting consumers to be more mindful about their choices and the items they surround themselves with. This intentionality can lead to a more fulfilling and satisfying living experience. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked handmade wooden creations for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.